Hi guys, Robin from Mountain Ridge Heating and Gas again. Just thought that I would share something that I thought you guys might find interesting. The heat's coming. You always hear about doing your air conditioning service, and you'll have all kinds of people come and tell you that there's lots of stuff wrong with your AC and that you need to replace it, or you need to spend $1,200 getting it repaired. And I'm here for a second opinion on a piece of equipment in the Albion Neighbors area. Great people out here. And one of the first things that I noticed was that the appliance hadn't been maintained. Now, something as simple as cleaning it off will change all the pressures and temperatures of the refrigerant, and it'll run properly. Let me just flip my camera around for you and show you what I've just discovered here. I don't even know how to flip it. So what you got there, and there, and there, and there is an AC compressor entirely covered with junk. So you see all this crap up here? It's supposed to look like nice little fins under there, like that. So I'm going to clean this up and see if we can get it working properly for them.